Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Our topic is something simple, but very important. Remember to take time out to relax after studying hard. As students, we often hear advice like study harder, don't waste time, or keep pushing yourself. And yes, working hard is the key to success. Without effort, we cannot achieve our goals. But what many people forget is that the brain and body are not machines. They need time to rest. Imagine running a marathon without stopping. You would collapse before reaching the finish line. Studying works the same way. If you push yourself without taking breaks, your brain gets tired, your memory becomes weaker, and your motivation disappears. That's why relaxation is not laziness. It is actually a smart part of learning. In this lesson, we are going to explore why relaxation matters, how it helps you perform better, and simple, effective ways to relax after a long study session. By the end, you will see that balance between work and rest is the real secret to success. So, let's begin our journey and learn why relaxation is just as important as hard work. Hello everyone, and welcome back to today's video. We are going to talk about something very important for every student, every learner, and even for every hard-working person in life. The topic is, remember to take time out to relax after studying hard. Now, studying hard is necessary. We all know that. Without effort, there is no success. But here's the truth that many people forget. Working too hard without rest can actually hurt your performance. That's why relaxation is not a waste of time. It is part of the learning process. So, let's explore together why relaxation matters, how it helps the brain and body, and what simple things you can do to rest effectively. First, let's be clear. Studying hard is important. When you focus on your lessons, prepare for exams, or write a big assignment, you are training your brain. You are building discipline. You are preparing for future opportunities. Hard work is like the key that opens doors to success. But here's the problem. If you only study and never stop to rest, your brain gets tired. Just like muscles after exercise, your mind also needs recovery time. Without that recovery, all your effort loses power. So, why should you relax after studying? Let's break it down. First, to prevent mental fatigue. Have you ever studied for hours and suddenly felt that nothing made sense anymore? That's your brain saying, I need a break. Relaxation helps bring back focus. Second, to improve memory. When you study, your brain collects information, but when you relax, especially when you sleep, the brain organizes and stores that information. That's why sometimes, after resting, you remember things more clearly. Third, to reduce stress. Exams, deadlines, and schoolwork create pressure. Relaxation lowers stress hormones and makes you feel calmer. Fourth, to protect your body. Studying means sitting for long hours. Your back, your eyes, your head, they all suffer. Stretching, walking, or simply lying down gives your body a chance to recover. And finally, relaxation supports emotional health. Without rest, students become irritable, anxious, even sad. Taking time out for joy, whether music, hobbies, or friends. Now, let's talk about practical tips. Relaxation doesn't always mean sleeping. It simply means giving your brain a break. Here are some effective ways. Take short breaks. Follow the Pomodoro method. Study for 25 to 50 minutes. Then take a 5 to 10 minute break. Use that time to stretch, drink water, or get some fresh air. Move your body. Exercise is amazing for relaxation. Go for a walk, play a sport, do yoga, or even dance to your favorite song. Movement refreshes your energy. Listen to music. Soft music can calm you. Upbeat music can cheer you up. Music is like food for the soul. Try mindfulness or meditation. Just sit quietly, breathe slowly, and focus on the present moment. Even 10 minutes can reduce stress and clear your thoughts. Enjoy your hobbies. Draw, paint, cook, sing, write. Do whatever makes you happy. Hobbies are not wasting time. They are healing time. Connect with people. After hours of studying alone, talk with family or friends. Share a laugh. Social connection is one of the best forms of relaxation. And of course, sleep well. Don't sacrifice sleep for studying. A rested brain works faster and smarter than a tired one. Balance is the key. Here's the big lesson. Balance. Studying too much without rest causes burnout. But relaxing too much without studying leads to poor results. The secret is combining both. Make a daily routine. Plan study sessions, but also plan relaxation. For example, study in the morning, take a walk in the afternoon, spend time with family in the evening, and sleep on time. This balance makes you productive, healthy, and happy. Real-life examples. Let's imagine two students. The first student studies for 6 hours straight with no break. At first, it feels productive, but soon, they lose focus, forget details, and feel frustrated. When exam day arrives, they struggle because their brain is too tired. The second student studies for 2 hours, takes a 20-minute break, then continues. In the evening, they go for a jog and enjoy dinner with family. On exam day, they feel confident and perform better. So, which student are you? The exhausted one or the balanced one? Long-term benefits. Relaxation after hard study is not just short-term comfort. It gives long-term benefits. It helps build sustainable habits. You can study and live healthily for years. It improves health by reducing stress-related problems. It increases creativity. A relaxed mind finds new solutions, and most importantly, it makes life happier. Because success is not only about grades, it's also about enjoying the journey. Don't feel guilty now. Many students feel guilty when they take breaks. They think, if I relax, I'm wasting time. But here's the truth. Relaxation is part of the study process. Without it, even your hardest work becomes less effective. So, never feel guilty for resting. See it as recharging your energy to work even better. The secret to real success is balance. Study with dedication, but also rest with care. Because when your mind and body are refreshed, your learning becomes stronger. So next time you finish a long study session, pause. Take a deep breath. Listen to music. Go for a walk. Enjoy your time. Remember, relaxation is not stopping your journey, it is fueling it. Thank you for listening. If this message inspired you, don't forget to share it with your friends. And let's all learn to balance hard work with rest. Stay motivated, stay balanced, and keep going forward. So, let's repeat the message. After studying hard, take time out to relax. Relaxation prevents fatigue, sharpens memory, lowers stress, and brings happiness. Balance is the secret. Work with dedication, but also rest with care. The next time you finish a long study session, pause. Take a deep breath. Play your favorite song. Walk outside. Talk with loved ones. Because relaxation is not stopping your journey, it is fueling it. Thank you for listening. If you found this message useful, Share it with a friend. Let's all learn to balance hard work and relaxation for a brighter, healthier future. We have learned that while studying with focus and dedication is important, it is equally important to give your mind and body the rest they deserve. Relaxation is not a waste of time. It is a way to recharge your energy, improve your memory, reduce stress, and keep you motivated. In fact, when you relax, you are preparing yourself to study even better in the future. So, the next time you finish a long study session, don't feel guilty about taking a break. Close your books, stretch, listen to music, or enjoy a short walk. Even small moments of relaxation can make a big difference in how you feel and how well you perform. If this lesson inspired you, I encourage you to share it with your friends, classmates, or anyone who needs this reminder. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more lessons that support your learning journey. Take care of yourself, stay balanced, and remember, success is built on both hard work and smart relaxation.